see him. Anyway, it's been 4 hours. Are we out of apples?
Look at Cody. You know there's like a whole bunch of the bad stuff in there.
Well, that apple juice tastes delicious.
And if Elena kept to her word and said she wouldn't put any worms in there, it might be a little bit good to drink, but I don't think it would be that good.
Oh yeah.
Put the blade back in.
Okay. I'm going to have to put the blade in. Well, remember?
Yeah, remember.
And we can also show you how to make pickles. You don't need to know how to make pickles.
I'm not going to be able to do that because I love pickles.
Well, that would be another video. Put all that water in there.
Hey, stop drinking it.
Yeah, stop. Go on, get out of here, Zach.
Probably put it on backwards.
Make sure the
I don't think I put the blade down all the way.
This is with me.
no, make sure the
No, it goes on this one.
Yeah. Guys, I'm going to suck on the apple cider with boiling. I'm going to be baby boy. Dusty's like, where's all the apples? I want more. Dusty boy.
it stopped.
Go turn on the water for the horses.
Horses.
Oh, this apple. Get down there, girl. We gotta show you something really funny. Horse bobbing. I don't
Plus
think.
apple bobbing.
Yeah.
That's going to be another video too.
Hey, we can show it right now.
If you're in the country, you find a lot of things to amuse yourself with.
Good job. Don't worry, nothing going on in the backgrounds. We're not hitting anybody.
Hush up. Oh, give me that.
We got a lot of apple cider here. So you cut the rest of the apples, and then we'll taste test it. Mmm. Well, Dusty left. Can I show you the apple bobbing?
Hey, what you doing?
It's for the winter.
At least pint of the winter.
I know.
Like only in the fall.
Yeah, it's probably gonna be gone.
That's very good.
Comment down below what you like better, apple cider or hot chocolate. I like apple cider.
Yes.
I like both.
We all love hot chocolate. I mean hot cook. Apple cider. It's on my tongue. We all like
I like
apple
opening.
cider.
I like both. You like both?
Yeah. Just don't mind this a little bit and go.
Getting slivers. Kind of
Well,
poking.
yeah, you wear no shoes. We've told you guys.
Well, I couldn't find mine. Well, you should watch out next time.
A zip tab, but it hit the door. Going to wash that off.
It was meant to go in the horse's water. Horses.
It doesn't open. It's just stuck there for a gate.
Not a gate, a fence.
I'm gonna open the door. Open. Open up. I wonder what looks so realistic.
Good job. You remembered the blade.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Unplug the cord. Dang.
And then as you can see, everyone, even Elena, is wearing bare feet.
Hey.
Wedge. Got a wedge.
Okay. Can you taste it first?
High heel. Boom.
Great.
We have him over here.
Well, look what took over the apple cider. Applesauce.
Gracie.
She's like, well,
We have a bee buzzing around.
he wants apple cider too.
I'm not going to apple cider.
We are famous.
Hi, Gracie.
Stop doing that, Zach.
It's too good. Eat up, Gracie. You don't need some.
There goes the bee. How does it taste here? Let me have some. That is delish.
Oh, yeah, it's good.
A little bitter.
Yeah, kind of were good.
No,
Better? What did better mean?
I like kind of bitter. I mean, tastes good.
I think I figured out what it is.
But yeah, but if you don't like, yep, she's petting Gracie. If you do not like bitter or unsweet
Is that all though?
apple cider, then just, you know, sprinkle in some sugar and, while it's boiling. You've got good tasting stuff.
But if Gracie calf come up, then we could have showed you.
I know.
She have a white.
She is so cute.
We're going to have to show you in another video.
She have a tiny white head.
Annabelle is
Cute.
adorable.
She have tiny white. Oh, look, there's a leaf in that one.
Oh, look at that. We got a stowaway.
And it's trying to throw away in the apple cider. You're not gonna.
Can't get it.
You don't want your hand to be in those apple cider. I don't want to drink. Did you use another drunken leaf?
Did you have something to do with this?
No.
All the apples gone?
Yeah.
Annabelle. And we are at the last of our apple cider. Then we gotta go inside and show you.
Well, after we clean up.
You're gonna clean up. You said it.
It's his fault.
You said it, you gotta clean up.
Got some nice apple cider in now.
That's good. Yeah. Okay, put the rest in there. And we will see you inside. And here is the apple cider we just made outside. And this is the apple cider that we made
All together.
all together. Okay, let's dump it in. There we go. And this is gonna be delicious.
It smells delicious.
And it's ready too.
Alright, and we're back outside. And hey, where you guys? Come on. I'm faster than you guys. Come on, let's go. We have the apple cider. in
Look
this
at Gracie
pot.
over there. Look at her mouth. It's
I
all
know. She's enjoying the apple cider, y'all. Look at her lips.
No, you can't have one.
Okay, you have some little glasses here.
Yep. Our little glasses.
Hey, you want it here?
Hey, I was cleaning up your little mess.
Yeah, we still got a little bit. You didn't wipe it off. Elena.
No.
I'm gonna take this one.
Her nickname, we call it E. So E. Every time you
E for apple.
every time you hear us say E,
A for apple.
it usually means Elena. So, whoa.
This one's mine. Hey, this one's mine.
Here is our apple cider filled cups. And hey, where you going?
This was actually yoga.
Oh, she's going up on the
These were actually yoga.
deck.
But we ate all it.
Oh,
This is actually very good.
since Elena is like the truthful one, what do you think?
Tad bit on the bitter side.
Tab it on the cinnamon side too.
Yeah. But it's hot
So don't.
apple cider.
It's actually tasty.
Should probably take some over to our brother.
We're gonna put a rest and jaws.
What do you think?
Save.
2 thumbs up. That's good.
Oh.
Oh, what do you think, birthday girl?
Almost. The best.
Well,
The best.
that is the end of it.
Apparently you're too truthful.
Well, that's the end of it. So, make sure to follow our
YouTube channel.
our YouTube channel, and
Like or subscribe. It doesn't
matter.
really matter. We love doing this, showing you guys what happens almost every single day.
So yeah, if you don't have a crusher to crush apples, that's the easy way to do it. Blender.
Yep, use a blender. Alright, signing out. See you guys in the next vlog.